Alright, I got some new parts and I decided to do a bike check. So I got ODI long neck grips and fit FAF white wall tires. And I thought they looked pretty good after I got them on the bike, but I didn't really think they were going to look that great, and they ended up looking awesome, so pretty happy about that. And then I'll go to, I guess I'll start from the front of the bike and then work back. I've got Eastern Wonder Year bars, a Shadow Attack top load stem, in 2010 Eastern Dragon frame and stock forks, Eastern wheels, a profile slim seat, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, premium V2 cranks, Shadow Bone Death sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, and I've also got a Van skate park sticker. It's pretty torn up. It's pretty retarded. I don't know why I haven't took it off yet, but whatever. Anyways, that's my bike check. Subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.